Ever wondered how to clean stainless steel exhaust? I'm David and I show you how to do it step by step to achieve the mirror effect. At very beginning my newly bought exhaust was looking like this. For refurbishing I left it unmounted. If you also want to do it accurately, demount your exhaust and take it apart as much as possible so you won't miss any spots. After setting all parts out, clean them all with water from dirt and soot. Next stage is wet sanding. I started with coarse grit to clean any corrosion and remove bigger scratches. Grinding with fine grit sandpaper would be laborious in my case because those scratches were quite deep, so there was thicker layer to remove. If your exhaust is in good condition, you can probably use fine grit sandpaper only. At this point you just want to have uniform, quite shiny surface without deep scratches. This is the final effect after first grinding. Next we move to wet sanding using finer grit sandpaper P600. Generally you start from coarse grit and go step by step to fine grit, because otherwise you wouldn't be able to remove scratches made by coarse grit. Be patient and precise as much as possible, as the final mirror effect depends on this. After second grinding, exhaust should look like this. Last grinding I made with P800 sandpaper. You should be as much precise as in previous step. Of course, all of these steps you need to repeat for all the exhaust parts. You should achieve similar effect to this one. After grinding, it's time for polishing. I used felt polishing wheel with P1000 paste for stainless steel. To make paste easier to spread on wheel, you can heat it a little with torch. Don't skimp the paste. It's better to give too much than too little. After polishing, the paste may be hard to remove, so you can use brake cleaner to clean it. It makes it much easier, but still it takes some time. After cleaning, you can notice some streaks, but already you have got mirror effect. You can try to remove remaining streaks with finishing paste for metal in tube. I did it with my own hands and ordinary sponge. For better effect, you can use flannel buffing wheel. When you will decide that polishing effect is good enough, you can finally clean exhaust from paste leftovers using paper towel. The only thing left to do is to assemble all parts together. After that, exhaust is officially refurbished. Here is the effect I've achieved. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe.